welcome to Angelic Beauty World. Okay, on today's video I'll be showing you how to make acne and pimples face cream. Okay, a face full of pimples and acne can be terribly annoying. I've been through it. Seriously, pimples are unfairly attributed to oily skinned teenagers, but pimples can also occur at any point in time. So sometimes pimples outbreak are simply unavoidable and requires treatments, like good treatments. Many products used in treating pimples are expensive and has high percentage of alcohol in it, which dries the skin. And most times you don't even get the results after spending huge amount of money. So here is an easy to make pimples cream, and you probably have this ingredient already in your home. Ingredients needed for this are 2 tablespoons of base cream, 2 teaspoons of rose hip oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder, 1 teaspoon of neem oil, 7 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil. Add your base cream in a mixing bowl, then you add the oils. After adding the oils, lastly you add the vitamin C powder, and make sure you mix this properly. Mix it very well. Okay, mix it very well till everything is well mixed. You get a smooth consistency. All you have to do is to cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, you tone your skin. After toning, you have to apply this cream. Massage the affected area and then you leave it till the next day. Use this as your treatment cream. You only have to use it at night. Please not use in the daytime because of the vitamin C, and just use it as a treatment. When you use it at night, it helps the cream work better and faster. Please be consistent, because consistency is the key in skincare. It doesn't work like magic. You have to give it your time, okay, and hope for it to work. This is a good recipe. It's effective. All you have to do is to be consistent. Don't do it today and leave tomorrow. No, please, you have to be consistent. Okay, focus on your goal and you are going to achieve it. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified. Please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you soon. Bye.